Dali, ulit tayo, ulit. Ulit tayo, bibi ko. Ulit tayo po. Wild animals. Wow naman. Ang daming animals dito. Wow naman po. Wow. Where is the lizard? Turo mo daw po yung lizard, bibi ko. Where is it? Oh, asan po lizard? Turo mo po lizard po. Lizard! Ayun, ito po bibi oh. Lizard. Opo. Lizards. Oh. Yung isa po, monkey. Ito po oh, monkey. Okay, next page. Next page. Next page. Wow! Oh, ano to? May bats. Oh, bats. Ay, yan. Ang laki ng eyes. Oh, yan. Ano to po, bibi, oh? Frog. Frog pala yan. Okay, next page. Next page po. Wow, may lions. Asan po yung lions? Turo daw ni Chinchin yung lions. Turo mo daw po asaan. Wow, ang galing naman ni Chinchin. Lions pala yan. Grabe naman. Alam pala ni Chinchin yung lion. Oh, wow! Jellyfish. Oh, may jellyfish pala dito. Oh, okay. Next page. Crocodiles and zebra. Asan yung crocodile, baby? Turo mo daw po kay mami. Nasaan yung crocodile? Wow! Ayun pala crocodile po. Oh. Ang galing naman ni Chinchin. Okay, next page. Wow, may parrots. Ay, isa lang pala, kaya parrot pala siya. Parrot. Ay, ostrich. Ilang ostrich yan, baby ko, oh. 1, 2, ayan. Hindi yan ostrich. Ito ang ostrich, baby, oh. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next page. Next page. Okay. Wow, may penguin. May lobster. Next page ulit. Ay, may hinahanap si Chinchin ata. May hinahanap. Wow! Elephants. Asan po yung elephant? Turo mo daw po, baby. Elephants. Galing naman. Alam ni Chinchin yung elephant. Okay, next page. Wow naman, baby. May camel, oh. Camel. Dolphin. Okay. Next page. Next page, baby. Wow, may kangaroo. Asan po yung kangaroo, baby? Turo mo daw po yung kangaroo. Asaan yung kangaroo? Ay, ayun. Ang galing naman ni Chinchin. Very good ka talaga, baby ko. You're so smart. Ang galing naman ni Chinchin. Oh, wow. May grasshopper, baby, oh. Grasshopper. Ocean fish. Wow, ocean fish pala yun. Okay, next page. Hanap natin yung ibang animals. Wow. Ang ganda. Butterfly. Ito, baby ko, oh. Butterfly. Okay po. Next page. Next page po. Wow. Octopus. And giraffe. Asan yung giraffe, baby? Giraffe. Asaan? Ay, next page. Okay. Next page po. Wow, baby. May bird. Asan yung bird? Turo mo daw po, baby. Ay, ayun pala yung bird. Next page? Okay po. Next page. Wow! May horse, baby ko, oh. Horse. Paano yung horse? Tigidig, tigidig, tigidig. Tigidig, tigidig, tigidig. Ayan na. Oh. Gorilla. Wow. Gorilla. Next one. Okay. Oh. Wow. Turtle. Wow naman. Ang galing. Wow. May mga horse. Ang dami, baby. Oh. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opo, 6 ka. 6 na horse. Hindi pala yan ka. Horse pala yan. Wow! Oh. Rabbit. Wow! Cobra. Oh. Wow! Grabe, ang laki ng cobra, baby. Oh. Okay, next page. Next page po. Wow! What's this? Dinosaur. How about this one? Snails. Next. Wow! May panda. Oh, baby. Panda. Panda. Oh, naman. May panda. Hello, panda. Say hello. Hello, panda. Next one. Wow! Oh, andito pala yung friend natin. Si Bruno. Bruno yan, baby. Si Bruno. Bruno. Okay. Dali. Wow! May tiger. Oh. Tiger. Okay, finish na? Finish na ikaw mag-study? Okay, next time.